Here's how you can search only for headquarters in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 multiplayer. So first click on multiplayer, then click on find a match. Down here different options appear. We want to just focus on find a match. So if you hover over find a match, on the right this little filter icon appears. Click on filter and now you have the option to deselect all unwanted game modes. Go back and find a match, or click on the top here to just search for this specific game mode. Click again on find a match and go to filter, and on the top right you have the same option for hardcore. Just deselect and now you are searching for all these hardcore game modes. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.